Hi, Mike's Carburetor Parts. How to identify a Holley 2-barrel. Most 2-barrels will list the 2245, 2209, 2210, all those series will have the number stamped on the front of the float bowl here. And on this one you have a R and then a space, 7871 space A. So the number for this one is R-7871A. Okay, the A is the original version, and as they updated these, they'll put a 1 or a 2 here, and that could be important if you're looking for a kit. So if it says 7871 with a space and then a 1 or a 2, be sure you include that in your search because it can make a difference. Once in a while, the kits will, there will be 2 kits, one for the 71A and one for the 71-1. So watch that. So anyway, the R may or may not be on your carburetor. It's assumed generally, so you can just type in 7871 in our search box when you're looking for a carburetor kit, and it should find the correct one. And that's how you want to match your kit. Don't go by application. This thing could be on a different vehicle. Just because it fits your vehicle does not mean the kit's going to fit. So use your carburetor number whenever possible. If you use an application, you're simply guessing. And by the way, the 2300 2-barrel has that same kind of number stamped on the tower up here in the front of the tower right here. I don't have one right in front of me to show you, but that's where the 2300 is stamped. Okay, so that's how you identify the Holley 2245. Thank you for watching.